Alright guys, coming to you from the driveway. I guess you could call me the driveway carpenter today. We ain't using those sawhorses. We going beast mode. When you high level like me, you can just cut right off the back of your truck. We working on that garden. We're using a composite material like my brother said.
Right, hi, Kumi Pema Village Garden, we use waste as a resource.
Reusing waste as a resource.
I know I'll do better, I know I'll do better, I will. Sometimes it feels like pushing the boulder over a hill. Hard to get to the peak, but as soon as you there, it's chill. Let go, allow the momentum to naturally build.
And that, my friends, is the first layer of our pyramid garden box. Alright, so y'all see me build this square box, but I had to come in with some reinforcements to stiffen it up so we can move it around back. The reinforcements is serving as a ledger for our next layer.
And when you knock on heaven's door, you're met by Morpheus, hands on no pill. The former hugger said, what happened, you're back to the real. This is like soul food for those on their rations for meals. Yeah.
Well put together frame. Ready for transport. I could just roll it back there like this if I wanted to, but we're gonna carry it back there before it gets too heavy. We could build the whole thing out here. This is actually how they do pre-built houses. This is how we build in houses of the future. Go ahead and drop a like if you're liking my builds and my videos. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to stick around to the end to see what gets planted. We're in the backyard. I'm about to prep the area for our new garden box going in. As you can see, there's some weeds on the ground. I'm gonna put landscaping fabric right over top of that. The garden box is gonna go on top of that. We're gonna leave the weeds for now. All right, guys, we got this section prepped. Now I'm putting down the landscaping fabric. Come in with the Mighty Thor and some pins to hold it down. Now our landscaping fabric's down, we're gonna come in with the first layer of our pyramid. First layer of the garden box is in. We could stop here and fill it in with dirt and put some plants in the ground. But no, we getting fancy. Now we come in with the second layer. And we want 1 foot of planting area around the whole perimeter. All right, now we got our second layer in. Now we're gonna start building the third layer. Unless you're a highly trained professional like myself, don't try this at home. Third and final layer of our pyramid planter box going in. Another great way to use waste as a resource is styrofoam. Again, the styrofoam isn't recyclable, but you can use it for filler space in a raised garden bed.
We're into protecting and caring for the environment because each plant produces about 100 to 200 fruits every year. Isn't this amazing?
Got dirt. Get the dirt in there. I got the dirt going in. Yeah, you can see we getting there. We need a little bit more dirt to fill it up though.
I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. If we keep a pace and we set intention to build, ayy. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. When it's time, we gotta take the time to just. When it's time, we gotta take the time to just heal. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. If we keep a pace and we set intention to build, ayy. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. When it's time, we gotta take the time to just.
Although I showed you how to use styrofoam for a filler, I ended up taking it out because I had enough dirt to fill the whole pyramid.
I was taught that I had to be still. Willow trees can handle storms better. I breathe for a word that is only really 4 letters. That whole stories have been written about. Tai Chi with the movement of the sword. Every stanza gets my form better. Lactose intolerant, but open to more cheddar. To invest in resources to know the source better. More meals from the garden, getting the soil better. Again, my hands getting muddy, but it's the forge better. Help my family grow from their own center. So we could hold up this force floor like the Mo fellas. Ay. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. If we keep a pace and we set intention to build, ayy. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. I know we'll do better, I know we'll do better, we will. When it's time, we gotta take the time to just. Had to let go of the smoke to clearly see the mirror. It's cause I really see myself that I can see my peers. It's cause I really see my peers that I can see myself. I'm no self without my peers, so everybody's here.